Hello all, my name is Najma and today I will talk about depression. So moving forward, what is depression? Depression is a common and serious mental illness that negatively affects how you think, how you feel and how you act. So depression causes feelings of sadness. So moving towards the symptoms of depression symptoms can vary from mild to severe and can include: number 1 is feeling sad, number 2 is trouble sleeping or sleeping too much, number 3 is feeling worthless or guilty, number 4 is thoughts of death or suicide. So now I will talk about how you treat depression. Depression is among the most treatable of mental disorders. Between 80% to 90% of people with depression respond well after treatment. Almost all patients gain some relief from their symptoms. So first of all, you have to hire a professional doctor, then do regular exercises because it helps to create positive feeling and improves mood. Number 3 is getting enough quality sleep on a regular basis, and at last, eating a healthy diet and avoiding alcohol can also help reduce symptoms of depression. So that's it for the video.